Today, we will prepare a cabinet door that will add elegance to your design, starting with just a panel and supporting it with profiles. Are you ready? Let's start making the door with MP-4895. Our first step is to cut our furniture profile to the correct dimensions. We use a 45-degree miter saw to cut the profiles to the appropriate measurements and angles. Next, we move on to cutting the panel that we will use for the door. We begin by trimming the edges of the panel to make them smoother. At this stage, we recommend using a jumping saw for all panel cuts to assure better results. The panels are cut to the desired dimensions. Now we are at the assembly stage. As we bring each piece together, remember that these doors not only provide functionality, but also add an aesthetic touch to our designs. Panel, profile, fast adhesive and glue come together. First, we apply the fast adhesive to the joint corners of the profile and ensure the corners are fully aligned and connected before bonding them. We remove the protective film from the panel. We then turn the assembled profile upside down and apply glue to the bottom edge. We pass the glued frame over the panel. Here is the door prepared with MP-4895. Before leaving it to dry, we recommend securing it with masking tape. Remember, functionality and aesthetics can coexist. As you can see, by combining our imagination with a furniture panel and profile, it is possible to create a wonderful cabinet door. This door is no longer just a piece, but has become a work of art reflecting the spirit of our designs.